Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is Waec CRS year 2019 past question. Year 2018. Question number 48 says Peter said that when church elders tend their flocks well, they will obtain dash A. The crown of glory, B. Prosperity, C. Love and holiness, D. Peace. When we talk of tender, means love. When you when there is love in the assembly, then they will obtain what? The crown of glory. So option A is correct. They will obtain the crown of glory. So we find this in the first in first Peter, in Peter first Peter, in first Peter chapter 5 verse 1 to 11. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.